Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Sound and Vibration. This is where System Audio profiles live. Once there, tap Notifications Sound to see the list of tones and the current selection. You do this because changing the default notification affects all apps that use the system tone. Make sure to listen to previews. They help confirm silence versus a faint tone. If you see none or silent options, select that now to remove the notification sound globally. Next, control per app notifications so important alerts can stay audible while others stay silent. Open Settings, go to Apps, choose Manage Apps, and pick the app you want to adjust. Once inside, tap Notifications and inspect each notification category, messages, promotions, or alerts. For each category, turn off sound or set the channel to silent. This prevents that app from using the system default. Because Android channels override global tones, this lets you fine-tune what remains quiet versus what rings. Finally, verify your changes. Send a test message or use the preview button in the sound picker to confirm silence. Once done, if sounds persist, restart the phone to clear cached settings and retest. Many issues clear with a reboot. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't configured to allow certain exceptions, and check third-party apps, messaging, or cleaner apps that may override system settings. If you still hear tones, revisit the app channel and set sound to silent again as a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.